I'm Rick Howard, and I'm from Granby, Colorado. We built this hangar in Granby, Colorado, and we fly out of the airport here at the Granby Airport. Moved into a home at the shores of Shadow Mountain, which is a little closer to the airport for us. And so now we live there, and it's just a lot of nice hiking. We've got ski areas in the county, 2 airports, and just a beautiful area to live. We were builders for 45 years, and this is our second hangar here at the Granby Airport. We're retired now, and everything we do with the Young Eagle program, the college scholarship, and summer camp program. And it's just been a real great opportunity for Don and I to be a part of it. And so now this one's built for the plane building in the shop right now.
You want people to do their homework and really look what they need it and want to use it for, and just really think it through, because it's a huge investment. It's a ton of time, and to make sure you're covering everything that you need in a building. So in the preliminary planning is super important, and then hiring the people that can do really quality work and following through with that.
For material alone, it was well over 400, and we don't own the land; we lease the land. So that was just the concrete and the building expense. It took 16 because we had one rain day, and they were leaving the 16th day, so just over 15. And then at that point, then Don and I came in and did all the plywood and the electric and mechanical and lighting and floor and benches and things like that.
The building would not have been built if my lifetime partner and business partner, Donna, was not involved. She's such a hard worker. We worked together for 30 years, and she's up early. She works hard all day, takes care of a lot of the office work and in the field work, and I just wouldn't have taken it on without her. It's really a 2-person operation, and it's a ton of work for 2 people. So I'm very appreciative and very grateful for Donna. It's been a great relationship to have her involved with me for all these years. We have just built a ton of things in Summit County and over here in Grand Lake area.